Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to glam up Sy Lopez, guys. Please support all his projects and upcoming. I'm going to place all the links if ever he needs votes for. Okay, so
secret lang sa daw, miss.
Secret lang sa daw.
So we will reveal soon, di ba, miss?
Yes. Please stay tuned. Naara dyan ang mga links below. And excited na ko to glam up. Simple regard kay mag-photoshoot kami today. Outdoors lang. So, ato lang i-fast forward, no? And we're going to transfer the camera. So, please like, share, and subscribe. And follow Dan. Nasa Kumu account.
Yes, it's Sy Lopez 0621. Follow me on Kumu. Please. And mag-live stream ko soon.
Live show. So, pasensya na sa among background. We're going to transfer camera now. In 1, 2, 3. Go. Guys, natin is sa Terrace Studio Cafe. So you can order your food while doing your shoot as well. So baka kaon mo dira mo magutman.
Picture na natin ka dito ya.
It's a wrap. Ako nakaadto atong ilang tuwad-tuwad dito sa Pika side, but then awa o.
Yes, I'm done. Thank you Syka and Sy Lopez.
Salip. Oh, nice show. So, it's a wrap. Manguli namin. So, mag-snack kami and all. Magkuyog ka mo, no? Okay.